Imagine if there was a secret so powerful, so transformative, that it could speed up the flow of money into your life by 700 times. Sounds unbelievable, right? But what if this secret has been hidden in plain sight, known only to a few who dared to tap into its potential? Today, I'm going to reveal exactly what this secret is, how it works, and why it could change your financial reality forever. This isn't just about wishful thinking. It's based on principles proven by some of the greatest minds in the world of manifestation and abundance. By the end of this video, you'll learn a step-by-step method to unlock this secret for yourself. You'll discover why most people fail to attract wealth and how you can bypass those mistakes with simple, actionable steps. Whether you're struggling to make ends meet, dreaming of financial freedom, or just curious about the mysteries of the universe, this video is for you. Trust me, the knowledge you're about to gain is priceless, and it's not something you'll hear every day. So, sit tight and watch till the end, because this could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Welcome to Your Channel Name, where we bring you the tools and insights to transform your life. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community of dreamers and achievers. Let's dive into the secret that only a few know. The secret lies in two essential components: focused visualization and emotional alignment. These two elements, when practiced consistently, create a magnetic pull that attracts financial abundance into your life. Visualization isn't just about imagining yourself wealthy. It's about creating a vivid mental picture so clear that your subconscious mind begins to accept it as reality. Experts like Bob Proctor have emphasized this repeatedly. He taught that wealth begins in the mind before it materializes in the physical world. By focusing on a specific financial goal, whether it's earning a certain amount or achieving a lifestyle, you activate the creative power of your thoughts. Catherine Ponder, another pioneer in this field, took it a step further by explaining the importance of emotional alignment. She believed that it's not just about seeing money in your mind, but also feeling the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if it's already yours. Gratitude plays a critical role here. It's like a secret ingredient that amplifies the energy of your visualizations. When you're grateful for what you already have, no matter how small, you send out a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive more. This aligns perfectly with the law of attraction, which operates on the principle of like attracts like. Faith works as the backbone of this process. Faith is what keeps your belief strong, even when results don't appear immediately. It bridges the gap between your current reality and the one you're manifesting. Think of your thoughts and emotions as two parts of a powerful magnet. When they're aligned, they draw abundance toward you with incredible speed. But it's not enough to just think positively. Emotional energy must match the frequency of the financial abundance you're visualizing. This is where many people struggle. They focus on wealth, but feel fear or doubt deep down. That emotional dissonance weakens the magnet, slowing the process. What makes this approach different from others is its intentionality. Both Proctor and Ponder stressed that it's about more than wishful thinking. It's a deliberate act of aligning your thoughts, feelings, and faith to create a new reality. By practicing visualization with focused clarity and emotional intensity every day, you create a mental blueprint. That blueprint acts as a guide for your actions and attentions that align with your financial goals. This principle isn't just theoretical. Many have applied it and reported extraordinary results. Some claim they received unexpected windfalls, others found lucrative opportunities seemingly out of nowhere, and all of them started with this core process. The key is consistency and unwavering belief, even when the path isn't immediately visible. The first step in applying this powerful secret is to set a clear and specific financial goal. Without clarity, your mind lacks direction, and the energy you put out becomes scattered. Think of it like programming a GPS. You must input an exact destination for it to guide you. Decide on a precise amount of money you wish to manifest, or a financial milestone, such as paying off debt, saving a specific amount, or earning a certain figure monthly. Write it down as if it's already achieved, such as, I now earn $10,000 a month with ease. Once you've established your goal, the next step is to visualize it daily. This isn't just daydreaming, it's an intentional practice of closing your eyes, calming your mind, and creating a vivid mental picture of your desired financial reality. See yourself living the life that this wealth brings. Imagine the details, where you're living, how you're spending your money, and how it feels to have complete financial freedom. The key here is not just seeing it, but feeling it. Let the emotions of joy, confidence, and abundance flood through you during this practice. To deepen this process, affirmations play a critical role. Powerful phrases like money flows to me easily and abundantly, or I'm a magnet for wealth and prosperity, help to reprogram your subconscious mind. Repeating these affirmations, especially with conviction, shifts your beliefs about money and aligns your thoughts with your goals. You can say these aloud in the morning, during your visualization, or whenever you feel doubt creeping in. Finally, gratitude ties everything together. Gratitude sends a message to the universe that you recognize and appreciate the abundance you already have, no matter how small. This creates an energetic loop of receiving and giving. Start and end your day by listing things you're grateful for, including the financial blessings you're manifesting. Visualize your future wealth with the same sense of gratitude as if it's already yours. Gratitude amplifies your energy and attracts even more abundance into your life. When these steps are practiced consistently, they become a routine that rewires your mindset. Each one builds on the other, creating a powerful system to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the flow of money and abundance. One of the most common mistakes people make when applying this secret is overthinking the process. Instead of trusting in the simplicity of visualization and alignment, they begin to overanalyze every step. They question if they're doing it correctly or if the results will ever come. This creates resistance, blocking the flow of abundance. The key to overcoming this is to trust the process and release control. Let go of the need to figure out how money will come. Focus instead on the what and the why, allowing the universe to handle the details. Another major pitfall is doubt. Doubting your own ability to attract wealth or doubting the possibility that wealth can manifest quickly. This skepticism often stems from limiting beliefs formed over years, like money is too much to earn, or I don't deserve to be rich. These thoughts send conflicting signals to the universe, weakening your manifestation power. To counter this, work on building unwavering belief in the process. Infuse affirmations to overwrite those old narratives. Surround yourself with stories of success, whether from mentors, books, or others who have applied these principles successfully. Perhaps the most subtle but damaging mistake is focusing on lack instead of abundance. When you constantly think about what you don't have, bills piling up, debts, or the money you're missing, you emit an energy of scarcity. The universe mirrors that energy, bringing more lack into your experience. Shift your focus toward abundance, no matter how small it may seem. Celebrate every penny you have, every opportunity that comes your way, and every sign of progress. This shift in perspective changes your energy and aligns it with receiving more. The truth is, these mistakes are common because they stem from deeply ingrained habits of thought. Recognizing them is the first step to moving past them. With practice, you can replace these patterns with thoughts of trust, belief, and abundance, paving the way for faster and more consistent manifestations. There are countless stories of people who have used the law of attraction and saw their financial situations transform almost overnight. One such story is that of a woman named Sarah who was struggling with debt and bills for years. She began applying the law of attraction techniques, creating clear financial goals, visualizing her ideal life, and repeating affirmations daily. At first, she didn't see immediate results, but she remained consistent. Over time, she felt a subtle shift in her mindset. She no longer focused on her lack of money, but began celebrating small victories, like finding unexpected cash or receiving new opportunities. Within 6 months, Sarah's business took off, and she paid off her debts faster than she ever imagined. Another powerful story comes from a man named James, who was living paycheck to paycheck and had little faith in his ability to attract wealth. He decided to give the visualization method a try, but struggled with doubts. He used to say things like, "This will never work for me." But after working on his beliefs and repeating positive affirmations, he started to see changes. Opportunities began presenting themselves, and soon James was able to launch his own online business, which grew exponentially in a matter of months. His success was not just a result of luck, but his belief that things would get better. He believed in the process, even when results weren't immediate, and that unwavering faith helped amplify his success. These are just two examples of the many people who have applied the principles of visualization, belief, and gratitude. The key factor in their success wasn't just doing the work, it was the consistency of their actions and their unwavering belief in the process. When they trusted the law of attraction and kept the faith, their results became a reflection of their energy and commitment. Each step they took was aligned with their goal, and as a result, the universe responded by delivering what they had asked for. Their stories serve as a testament to the power of persistence, belief, and emotional alignment. To wrap up, we've uncovered the powerful secret that can accelerate your journey to financial abundance. By setting clear financial goals, visualizing your success, repeating empowering affirmations, and practicing gratitude, you can align your energy with the wealth you desire. Remember, it's all about consistency, belief, and emotional alignment. Now, I encourage you to try these steps for yourself. Experience the transformation that can happen when you focus your thoughts and energy on what you want to attract. Don't just take my word for it. Apply these techniques and share your own experiences with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to find more Channel Love. We have many more insights to share that will help you manifest the life you've always dreamed of. Keep the faith, stay consistent, and watch how quickly your financial reality shifts.